Hi, and welcome back to the last video on this headdress. So essentially we're almost done. You'll have your front on, your head plate, your feathers are on now. You've made your thing, which can be, of course, fabric. Probably fabric would be a much faster process. I have to say that doing it leather has definitely delayed doing this. Also, after some thought, I was going to use this gauge of wire. As you can see, you can bend it, but it's pretty stiff, so I am going to just use a rubberized wire for now. And if this doesn't hold on the way I like it, I will replace it with a thicker gauge wire, but not quite this thick. The last video I showed you how to make the little loop. And this is the eagle feather all done, the whole shaft. This won't pull off. So the only thing that was done off camera, of course, is you have to cut like a little piece of branch. And you take a drill and you drill down, hollow it out, and you take a drill and you drill through. Now, the reason for this is that you take your feather, you go down, and you would put your wire through. You have to make sure it goes in that loop. Do we have it this time? Yeah. Then we would just go like that. Then your feather just floats around up on top. Then you position it where you want it. I'm going to put it here. I'll put it here, so I need a hole. Actually, I'm going to put a little more there. I want it towards the back. First of all, I don't like the length of that little knot there. So, which is easy to do. You just tie another little knot in it. I have to apologize, it's raining. Don't have control of that. Well, it's kind of rain snow here. This is my new filming location. Has a little heater in the corner. Has a light. Has my little Christmas tree at the moment too. This will be where I do a lot of filming now. While I'll work on that, I'll work on shortening that another time, because this one will be removable. So we're going to put the holes in. So essentially this is done. Before I do that, essentially this is done. This would be the average person. When you add the side pieces, that would be somebody of higher status. So if you put these on in front of the ears, it's just of higher status. So you get the look here. So I'm still debating whether to put those on. I might, but we'll just get this done first here. So At this point you need 2 holes, but I don't have a awl on me right now. I looked for my awl and couldn't find it, so I am going to just pinch the skin the same way, pinch the hide here, and put 2 small holes in. And the same with the other side. 2 small holes. So I put those 2 small holes in. So now, of course, we just set that aside at the moment. So we take this down. This down. It's done all the way. Get it sliding back up a little bit. The hole. Oh, we missed it. So just do it all over again. Yeah, we got it now. So we come back. Yeah, that feather's a little on the sloppy side, but we will fix that in the future. So now you take your wire and you push through one of these holes. You take your other wire and push through one of these holes. I also changed that thinner gauge because I thought about it for a while, and I thought, well, if that wire hit the top of your head, you're not going to be having a very good day, and this is a much finer wire. So now that you got those both in there, around the inside there, and you just twist these wires together. Tight, then you can always tuck them back under. That way they don't bother your head. Now, you're technically done the headdress at this moment. So, there's the headdress. And that, of course, will blow around all over the place. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, and wait for the other thing. I would, after doing this, and doing this for a very long time now, I would probably switch over. I'd probably redo one of these again, but I'd definitely be using fabric instead of leather. I made this one authentic just because it's going to be on display. But yeah, I would definitely be doing fabric next time. It would just speed up the whole process. So I hope you enjoyed all these videos, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment. I always try to answer every comment that I get. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Miigwetch.